blah 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 eggs blah 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 blah.
Got trouble on a cloudy day. When it rains outside, I got flooded waves. I guess you say, what can take this flood away? Box streets, sewers, well, talking about drainage, ooh, got so much water, the seas envy me. The sewers and the rivers can't come round me. I guess you would say, what can take this flood away? Box streets, sewers, well, talking about drainage, ooh. Money for some kind drinks. You gotta pay a few workers and some boxes and crates. I guess you would say, what can take this flood away? Talking about drainage.
Welcome to Sexy News at 10. Krishna McNary here. An urgent news flash has just come up. Uwi flooded out. Girls wet, rail water. Campus authorities are pointing fingers at each other. There's an urgent requirement for the drainage system to be rapidly improved to alleviate the present problem. Already, tenders are pouring in. Who will gain this momentous task? This is Krishna McNary here saying good night and good luck. Now we have the Managing Director of Innovating Surveying Services on the phone, who has won the tender to alleviate the flooding problem at Uwi. Mr. Marengo, how you going to attack this problem of flooding and all these girls getting wet?
Well, what a boy smoking though? Yeah, we call me. Are you on? Oh, sorry.
The name is Mr. Rick James, Nana. Yes, it is correct. Innovative Engineering Services have won the bid to design plans and manage the works at UWI's in the Gulfing campus with the aim of solving the poor drainage problems there. Innovative Engineering Services plans to attack the problem in 3 phases. First and foremost will be the design and planning. In this phase, we will be analyzing the causes of poor drainage and with that knowledge we will be designing an appropriate system to alleviate the poor drainage problems there. We believe it is necessary to widen the drains and in general increase the carrying capacity of the drainage features. There is also the need to increase the present number of wells and to regrade key areas to allow for effective runoff. Phase 2 will be the execution phase. During this stage, contractors will be employed to execute works with respect to the formulated designs. Phase 3 will follow, which will be the verification phase. Here we will verify that all works conducted by the contractor is up to spec with respect to the designs. These 3 stages we believe will lead to the eradication of poor design problems and solve all the problems of those wet females you are speaking about.
This is Krishna Makdarinanan here saying good night and good luck.
Action. No way, never read it. Drainage. And that's it.
Come on, Franco.
Box drains, sewers, wells, talking about drainage. Ooh, that's right, babies. Talking about drainage, handling the wetness. That's what we here at 8 p.m. do. You ready for us to handle your wetness? All right, let's get it on. Care of it right away. Make sure it feels nice and good and dry. I'm gonna need